Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to copy sheet in Excel. We can see here there are total 4 worksheets available currently on our Excel screen. First is named as topic, then sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So in Excel we can copy this entire sheet as it is to different location. So in this video, we are going to cover the same topic, that is how to copy sheet in Excel with the help of these two different methods. I'm going to teach you this copying sheet method by using these two different methods. So first is by using format command and second is by using mouse right click. The important thing which we should keep in our mind is that we have to select the sheet which we want to copy to the new location. So in our case, we want to move the sheet 1 where I have mentioned the unit test result of few students and do not concentrate on this data. This data is just a dummy data I have prepared for your ready reference. What we will do, we will copy this entire sheet to the new location. So our first method is by using this format command. So where we can find the format command? We can find this format command under home tab and in sales group. Here we can find the format command. But important thing, we should select the cell which we want to copy. Okay, so we have selected this sheet 1. We will go to the home tab and under sales group we have to click on this format command. Once we click on this command, we can see that further options will appear on our Excel screen. Out of this, under category organize sheets, we have to click on the move or copy sheet. With this, we can see that move or copy dialog box will appear on our screen. Here also, we have to keep one important point in our mind is that we want to copy the sheet. Okay, so we have to click on this create a copy checkbox. I'll repeat, do not forget to click this checkbox create a copy if we want to copy the sheet to the new location. Okay, now there are two input fields available. Okay, as we have selected this create a copy, we will read this as copy selected sheets to a book. If we click here, we can see that three options. So last two options are the names of the currently open sheet. Okay, so I have two workbooks open currently on my computer. So the name of this first Excel file is insert new sheet in Excel and the second file is how to copy sheet in Excel, which is currently I am explaining to you. And this first option is new book. So what this first option will do, so this first option will copy this current worksheet, that is sheet 1, to the newly created workbook. So this option will create new workbook and this will copy this sheet 1 to this new workbook. The second option, if we select, so this will copy this sheet 1 to the workbook named as insert sheet in Excel. Sorry, the insert new sheet in Excel, that is the name of that Excel file. Okay, and if we click on this third option, that is how to copy sheet in Excel, which is our currently opened Excel file. So if we want to copy this sheet 1 within the same workbook, we can select the name accordingly. If we want to copy this sheet to the another workbook which is also open parallelly on our computer, we can select this option accordingly. And if we want to copy this selected sheet to the entirely new workbook, then we can select this option accordingly. I hope you are now clear with this first input field. So for this explanation, we will select this same workbook which is currently open, that is how to copy sheet in Excel, and here the second input field. So what this input field suggests us or show us, so this will show us the current available sheets in the Excel file. So I have selected this workbook here. So in this workbook, you can see that there are total 4 worksheets available. That is topic. The first sheet is named as topic. Then sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay. So if we want to if we want to copy this sheet 1 before the sheet topic, we can select this option. If we want to copy the sheet 1 before sheet 1, we can select this option accordingly. If we want to copy the sheet 1 before the sheet 2, we can select accordingly. Okay, so let's see one by one. If we select this before sheet topic, what will happen? Just click on the OK button. We can see that sheet 1 which we have selected previously, this is our original sheet, this is already available as it is, and the new copy of the sheet is now created with the name as sheet, and in bracket it is named as 2 before the sheet topic. Okay, now again we will go to the format, move our copy sheet. If we select sheet 3, okay, so we will keep this Excel file as it is. It means we will copy this entire sheet in the same workbook, and here we can again click on the create copy and click on the OK button. We can see that another copy of the sheet 1 is created before sheet 3. Okay, so this is our first method. Now the second method is by using mouse right click. So here also we have to select the sheet which we want to copy. So again we will select the sheet 1 and press right mouse click here only. Okay, so on the sheet 1 where it is written as sheet 1, we have to place our mouse cursor and we have to press right mouse click button. Then we can see that further appeared option. In that we have to click on the move or copy. Same move or copy dialog box will now appear on our screen. Now we can see that I have already explained you all these options. Just one important thing to note here, that previously only 4 sheets were available here. Now we have seen with the first method how to add the new sheet in Excel. So that sheets are also added in our Excel screen now. So it will show us the total worksheet which are available in our Excel sheet. Okay, so now here in this example we will see how we can create a copy to the end of all the sheets. It means it will create a copy after this sheet 3. It means towards the end of the all the sheets available in our Excel workbook. Once we click on this OK button, we can see that another copy of this sheet 1 is now created. I hope you are now clear with both the methods to create copy of a selected sheet in Excel. So that's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.